If you're looking for a shotgun mic that fits a USB-C port, then check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might have a device that uses a USB-C port. Laptop, tablet, phone, and one of the things that you might want to do is have a directional mic like this. This is by Movo, and they're a brand that I've used before. I don't think a super high-end brand, but a pretty good brand, good value especially. And this little shotgun mic here looks like it just kind of sticks out of the port, but this part will bend, kind of like me. And you can see we have a little foam windsock there, and then the microphone right there. So this whole thing is pretty short, you know, a couple inches, maybe 2.5 inches. But what I like about this is that you could plug this into, say, a phone like this, use the USB-C port right there, and then angle this forward or back, you know, if you're filming something but you want to comment over the video, or if you are filming people and you want to record their voices, then this would be a great way to have a little bit better, higher-end directional microphone. So I'm kind of curious how it will work. So let's go ahead and record with this phone with and without the microphone and see how it does. Alright, so here I am recording with my Android Google Pixel Fold, and I'm just using the onboard microphone. So it may be picking up a little bit of that sound from the heating ducts or the air moving or whatever. It might sound a little tinny. I don't know. You can be the judge. This is the onboard microphone. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this Movo microphone, plug it in, and see if there's any difference at all. Alright, so I've got the Movo microphone plugged in. I've got it twisted to point to me, obviously, because I'm kind of a smart guy, you know what I'm saying? And so you can be the judge of whether you think the audio quality was better with the built-in onboard microphone, or if it's better with this Movo shotgun microphone that's plugged in. What I really love about it is it doesn't have a big dongle. I can turn it either way. It's very simple to use. It's a very small piece of equipment, so you can carry it with you. If you're going to film some family videos or some of your favorite vacation moments, you could use this. Now, the other thing that I like about this is it doesn't have to be used just with a phone. You could potentially plug it into your laptop. So if you're having a meeting or doing a Zoom call or recording a podcast, maybe you can level up your audio using this little microphone. So I will let you be the judge of the quality of the audio, but if you want to pick up this little USB-C shotgun microphone by Movo, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.